হাই, ম্যাট্রিকুলা এডুকেশনের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো এবং তোমাদের মাধ্যমিক 2023-এর পরীক্ষা খুব ভালো হয়েছে। যারা ম্যাট্রিকুলার টেস্ট সিরিজ এক্সামটি দিয়েছিলে তারা নিশ্চয়ই অলরেডি জানো যে আমাদের 3টি সেটের প্রশ্নপত্র থেকে 60%-এরও বেশি কমন কোয়েশ্চেন্স এসেছে। আজকে আমি এই ভিডিও দ্বারা মাধ্যমিক 2023-এর ইংলিশ প্রশ্নপত্রের সমস্ত প্রশ্নের উত্তর দেব। সিনের কম্প্রিহেনশন প্যাসেজটি তোমাদের সামনে স্ক্রিনে দেখানো হচ্ছে। 1A. Write the correct alternative in the given space to complete the following sentences. A. After the funeral, Gandhiji's ashes were taken to Option 1. Delhi, Option 2. Allahabad, Option 3. Kolkata, and Option 4. Patna. And the answer is Option 2. Allahabad. B. People who were on the train with the ashes did not weep but Option 1. Offered prayer, Option 2. Sang songs, Option 3. Expressed sorrow, Option 4. Sang bhajans. The right answer is Option 1. Offered prayer. C. Back in Delhi, I felt at sea. In this sentence, felt at sea means 1. Felt at a loss, 2. Visited the sea, 3. Felt very sad, 4. Felt very generous. Answer 1. Felt at a loss. D. Like many other young Indians, the narrator and his sister had been 1. Gandhiji's companions in prison, 2. Co-workers of Gandhiji, 3. Mere observers of Gandhiji's work, 4. Making sacrifices for Gandhiji. Answer 3. Mere observers of Gandhiji's work. E. After Gandhiji's death, the narrator wanted to 1. Lose motivation, 2. Remain courageous, 3. Turn indifferent, 4. Weaken values. Answer 1. Lose motivation. B. Complete the following sentences with information from the text. 1. At the time of immersion of Gandhiji's ashes. Answer. A huge crowd had gathered at the bank. 2. When Gandhiji passed away, the magic. Answer. Had vanished. 3. Even if Bapu was gone. Answer. His India would continue to live on with his children. সিন প্যাসেজ থেকে 4টি তোমাদের স্ক্রিনে দেখানো হচ্ছে। Statement 1. People stopped weeping for Gandhiji. Reason 1. As they could feel Gandhiji's presence amid the flowers and the songs. 2. Reason Gandhiji brought ordinary folks out of indifference. Statement 2. He wanted to awaken the people to one another's suffering. Question number 2 এর পোয়েমটি তোমাদের সামনে স্ক্রিনে দেখানো হচ্ছে। A. Tick the right answer. A. The color associated with the mist and dawn in the poem is 1. White, 2. Blue, 3. Grey, 4. Black. Answer 3. Grey. B. The call that the poet cannot deny is the call of the 1. White clouds, 2. Running tides, 3. Lonely sea, 4. Grey mist. Answer 2. Running tides. C. The vagrant gypsy life in the 3rd stanza of the poem actually refers to the wandering life of a 1. Vagabond, 2. Warrior, 3. Gypsy, 4. Sailor. Answer 3. Gypsy. D. The intensity of the poet's desire to go on a voyage is expressed by 1. Repeating the same phrase, I must go down, 2. Describing the sea voyage in details, 3. Comparing the voyager's life with gypsies. 4. Referring to the running tide and flying clouds. Answer 4. Referring to the running tide and flying clouds. B. Answer the following questions. 1. Which word in the poem tells you that this is not going to be the first voyage of the poet? Why does the poet ask for a star? Answer. The word again in the poem tells that this is not going to be the first voyage of the poet. The poet asks for a star to control his ship. 2. What does the poet ask for at the end of his journey? Answer. The poet asks for a quiet sleep and sweet dream at the end of his journey. সিনের কম্প্রিহেনশন প্যাসেজটি তোমাদের সামনে স্ক্রিনে দেখানো হচ্ছে। 3A. Tick the right answer. 1. An initiative for mangrove plantation has taken place in the Sundarbans by the A. Irrigation Department, B. Forest Department, C. Agriculture Department, D. Pisciculture Department. Answer B. Forest Department. 2. Mangrove plantation initiative aimed at protecting Sundarbans from storms and A. Human greed, B. Amphan, C. Pisciculture ponds, D. Soil erosion. Answer B. Amphan. 3. The area covered with mangrove under this initiative measures less than A. 4,000 hectares, B. 3,000 hectares, C. 2,000 hectares, D. 2,500 hectares. Answer A. 4,000 hectares. 4. The number of cyclones named in this passage is A. 3, B. 1, C. 2, D. Many. Answer C. 2. 5. The collaborators helping Forest Department in this initiative are A. Local farmers and local women, B. Forest management committees and local women, C. Local farmers and local fishermen, D. All the villages and forest management committees. Answer B. Forest management committees and local women. 6. An appropriate title for the passage would be A. An endeavor to protect mangroves, B. A bid to protect mangroves in Sundarbans, C. Planting mangroves to protect the Sundarbans, D. Plantation of mangroves for protection of life. Answer C. Planting mangroves to protect the Sundarbans. 3B. Each of the following statements is either true or false. Write T for true and F for false in the boxes on the right hand side. Also pick out suitable lines or phrases from the passage in support of your answers. 1. Cyclone Amphan damaged large areas of mangroves in the Sundarbans. Answer true. And the supporting sentence is large swathes of mangroves had got damaged in the Sundarbans when Cyclone Amphan struck. 2. Cyclones are the only cause of the damage of the mangroves in the Sundarbans. Answer false. And the supporting sentence is the other factors like cutting down forest to make way for pisciculture, ponds and farming fields have also played a part in this. 3. Planting mangrove saplings has generated employment for many villages. Answer is true. And the supporting sentence is the Forest Department has also managed to generate employment for more than 12,500 villages. 3C. How many migrant laborers returned to the Sundarbans during COVID-induced lockdown and what alternative livelihood did they take in? Answer. Many tens of thousands of migrant laborers had returned to the mangrove delta during the COVID-induced lockdown. Some started farming and fishing in local ponds. 2. What were the impacts of migrant laborers' alternative livelihood in Sundarban's nature? Answer: to make way for these large swathes of mangroves had been cut down, leaving the area exposed to the vagaries of storms as well as soil erosion. 3. Name 2 areas of Sundarbans where mangrove saplings have been planted. Answer: Lothian Island and G Plot. 4. Who is Milan Mondal? What did he say about the effect of their effort on the villagers of the area? Answer: the Divisional Forest Officer of South 24 Parganas. He said that their efforts were paying off as the villagers themselves realized the importance of the mangrove cover after the Sundarbans was lashed with back-to-back cyclones, including Amphan and Yas. Section B. Grammar and Vocabulary. 4. Write the correct alternatives to fill in the blanks. The tortoise set out to collect all the wisdom in the world, and as he had gathered each piece, he put it into a large gourd. This took a long time, and when Tortoise thought he had collected all there was, he decided to hide the gourd on top of a tree. 5. Do as directed. A. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and prepositions. Life had not been smooth sailing for Sudha. In 1981, the car she was traveling met with an accident and her right leg had to be amputated below the knees. She walked around with crutches. 5B. 1. People on the train sang bhajans. Change the voice. Answer: bhajans were sung on the train by people. 2. Samuel said, Swaminathan, where is your homework? Change into indirect speech. Answer: Samuel asked Swaminathan where his homework was. 3. He put it in an envelope and sealed it. Turn into a simple sentence. Answer: putting it in an envelope, he sealed it. 5C. Choose the correct phrasal verbs from the list given below to replace the words underlined. Write the correct phrasal verbs in the boxes on the right hand side, changing the form when necessary. There is one extra phrasal verb in the list. Number 1. Sahana visited you last night to invite you to her birthday party. Answer: called up. 2. Solving the puzzle was so difficult that I stopped trying. Answer: gave up. 3. The man created a story to avoid punishment. Answer: made up. 6. Given below are the meanings of 4 words which you will find in the passage in question number 3. Find out the words and write them in the appropriate boxes on the right hand side. Number 1. Loss. Answer: damaged. 2. Unprotected. Answer: exposed. 3. A person who moves from one place to another. Answer: migrant. 4. Work. Answer: employment. আশা করি তোমাদের মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষা খুব ভালো হয়েছে এবং এই ভিডিও থেকে তোমরা তোমাদের সমস্ত প্রশ্নের উত্তর পেয়ে গেছো। আমরা আমাদের ইংলিশের শিক্ষক যিনি এই প্রশ্নপত্রটি তৈরি করে দিয়েছেন তাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাই। ম্যাট্রিকুলা এডুকেশনের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে চোখ রাখো তোমরা সবাই পরবর্তী আরও অন্য বিষয়ের প্রশ্নপত্রের উত্তর মিলিয়ে নেওয়ার জন্য এবং প্রশ্নপত্রের উত্তরগুলি সঠিকভাবে পাওয়ার জন্য।